I woke up in Orubu Garden. I woke up in Orubu Garden. Look, you guys missed. You missed. It was fun. Full to the brim, the capacity. I mean, his best of songs, from Gelio to My Woman, My Everything. Virtually all his best songs came on.
Did you see one whiskey?
Bernard, show us picture now.
Abby?
Pictures. It's not just that my phone went off. But at least the cameraman was available to take pictures. And he will be delivering the picture anytime soon. So don't worry, yeah.
Yeah, darling. You know if it's me now, as I'm snapping it like this, Instagram is taking it. Once. Well, yeah, I mean, what?
See, you're even talking. Do you know if Patraki see me now? You say, Tell you, what's up?
It's okay.
See, and that's nothing to say. You see this face cap? This is the face cap I wore to take that picture with Patoranking. I'll be placing this face cap here. Because it is more like a prized possession right now. Because do you know who Patoranking is? Do you know who Patoranking is?
We know.
A prized possession. And please, I want to beg you all, please. I don't want anybody, irrespective of who you are, to come closer to this face cap. Especially you, Teddy. Because you
just snap picture with Patoranking. You now use the cap to put on your mirror.
Gelio!
So that means if you now shake hands with him now, you now shower with the water and drink it.
I woke up in Olubu Garden.
Hey! Now, every calling my name, Teddy, don't touch my cap. If not that, the single I drop is here to pick.
Yes.
How can I be here? If not that, when I went to play under 17, they said that I am overage. Wow. Will I be here, Babin? If not that, when I went to do audition, that they said, tell you, calm down, the role we have for you is too small for you. If not, am I here, Babin? See, it's not your fault. If not that, if not,
I woke up in Olubu Garden.
Okay. Yeah. If not that the girl I like is not looking at me left. And I'm not coming here behind.
I've said my own, don't touch my car. Oga, this is not what we agreed now. Yes, this is not what we agreed. Yes, you said you'll be here by 12 p.m. This is almost 12:05 p.m. So, okay, what are you trying to explain now? Oh, okay. Oh, you're on your way already. Oh, you'll be the one delivering it. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you very much. I'll be waiting. Thank you. Just have your seat then. Thank you. Teddy!
Yes?
Jen, quickly.
Ashu, what?
Go and on the gen. Can't you see the light is off?
Let those that went for the show with Patoranking on the gen.
Teddy, go and on the gen.
Let those that know Patoranking and took pictures with him and came here to insult me go and on the gen.
Okay, Teddy, please. In the name of God, go and on the gen.
Is this please so? Is this please that they use on me?
Go on, Jen, I beg.
I don't even like that. It's you sending me.
Go now.
I don't even like it.
Go!
And you that they are babbing, just be calming down. You hear me? Be calming down, because I'm not the one that's even babbing you. Be calming down. If not that you went for show and you remember to like it, or telling me to come on chair. I'm not your boy. Ah! 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 Ah!
What is that now? What is that?
Ah!
What is that now? What happened? How about the gen?
It's a gem.
What happened to the gen?
What happened to the gen?
You know that when we bought that gem, it's Kickstarter. Once you just do it 2 times, it will start. It will start. After a while, after use it, the key now spoil. We now used to use the rope to start it. So if you just draw it twice, grum, grum. Do you know since I went behind here, I've been doing green like 14 times a day on. Then finally, and I tried it again, the rope now cut.
Okay, fine. We understand. See, go and call Mutiu. At least he will check to find out if it's an electrical problem.
No, we come with you. Normally, we come with you when the sound that green. So, if it's more, you come with you.
Okay, so
what you say? Let's change the engine. So
what are we going to do right now? What are we going to do right now?
The sound I heard, like it starts, you do green. So it has knocking in. So I'm saying now, what we'll do now, I'm suggesting now, for the customer we have here, let's give him your card. Since you have touched his head, we'll give him your card. Let him go and come back tomorrow.
What card? My priceless face card that I took a picture with Paturanki. Is that what you want?
But would you prefer him to go like this?
I'm not giving out my face card. My priceless face card. So I should give it to him. Why?
What did we give him?
No, tell me.
You see? Ah. Is it? I'm saying let's give you cap. Give him the cap. That is, I said when he give you cap, he should give you the cap. He say no. Give him the cap, Give him the cap, This guy will be somebody here. Let's give him the cap. They're coming down. They're coming down.
Take it easy, bro. Take it
They're coming down.
Take it easy, bro.
They're coming down.
Bro.
Why not let him take cap now?
Don't you ever, anything that has to do with my cap, with my president's cap, don't you ever.
No, if it's you now. No, wait. If it's you
Don't
now.
give out my president's cap to a customer that I don't know.
They should wear cap and go.
A cap I used to take a picture with Paturanki.
If this guy had injured somebody here and go, what if this guy had...
He will not. See,
Both of you.
I'm not giving my cap to anyone.
We are laminating the cap. Keep for here now.
Nobody should touch my cap.
Okay.
Nobody should touch my cap.
So come on, cap.
It is my cap. And it is priceless. Nobody, for the last time, especially you.
It's okay.
Once again.
That's how this guy now would have break somebody's head down for his cap.
My priceless cap. You guys need to see this picture. You need to see this picture. I mean, do you know what it means to take a picture with Paturanki? Paturanki of all people.
You know, when I took pictures with
Look, don't worry. I know you'll get to this level one day. You will definitely get to this level. But at the moment, just keep dreaming. So, I mean, you know when you stand by next to a celebrity, Sabinus!
Since now.
You're welcome,
Don't be offended, I came late. You know I'm coming from the island now.
No problem.
Ikotu area.
Yeah.
Traffic is too much.
Wow.
I follow Third Mainland Bridge, they block it.
Oh, sorry.
And I said I should turn, follow this Second Mainland Bridge. Just what happened? They still block it. As I was going to pass the First Mainland Bridge, you know what? Nothing really happened. Right? So I said I should bring... Exactly. So you know the picture now? When I saw it, the importance of the picture, I can't bring a soft copy. I just decided not to do hard copy because that will make me harden there. So I had to frame it for you. Just because of...
Wow, I'm loving the frame already.
It can happen.
I'm loving this already. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank me. Thank God. Thank God. Yes, my dear. So that is well done on my...
I like your work.
It can happen to anyone.
Your frame is very neat.
Exactly. So that is just... You can call me anytime you want to stand. I
will take your card.
Exactly.
What is this?
What kind of question is that? Which one is what is this?
What is this now? What is this you two?
What did I take? This is you and Patoranking now. It's
No,
superstar
fine.
Patoranking.
I understand. I can see Patoranking. But what is this one now?
This is your cap now. Can't you recognize? This is your cap and that's your neck. Can't you see your
Why
throat?
am I not visible in the picture now?
That's what I'm saying. Look at your throat. This is your teeth.
I'm not visible. You're telling me throat. What do you mean throat? What do you mean throat?
I told
That's
you.
not what I asked you to do now.
Bernard,
Oh,
is anything the problem?
No problem.
Okay, because we want to see the picture.
I told you to come forward now. Why didn't you come forward when I told you? You were standing there like one small pole. Come forward, you
But
said
you were
no.
the one calling the shot. If you know I was not fitting at the back, why not just ensure that you place me somewhere good?
Oga, why are you doing like this? I'm a photographer, I'm not a surgeon. No. This is photography.
See.
You expect me to do surgery now?
See,
if
wait.
if you have a problem with your
Sabinus. You're called Sabinus, but it's obvious you're Sabinus who knows Sabinus.
Hands up. Patoranking was even smiling with you. See, they're giving them joy. They're happy for you.
It's very good. See, your work is good.
I like you.
This is what I call avant-garde shot.
How did you know?
Sabinus, you expect to pay for this, Abi?
Okay, I'm collecting my money now.
I'm not paying you a dime.
You said?
I am not paying you anything.
Oh, that don't joke with me. Oh. Look at me. I'm a madman. Oh. I'm going to burn down. I will scatter this place.
No, please.
I will destroy something here. Oh.
Don't.
Where's my money?
Sorry.
I will not pay you
Go and
anything.
ask of me on Fort Mainland Bridge. I will wound you.
I will not pay anything.
No problem. You will not pay anything. You will not pay
I will
anything.
not pay. Look at what you
Give
gave
me
me.
1 hour. I will tear down.
I will not pay you. I will not pay you.
You will not do
anything.
what?
I will not pay you anything.
No problem. No problem.
Please.
Go and come back.
No problem.
We'll pay first. We'll pay.
No problem.
Let's handle this. Please. Just
fine.
what? See. What do you think we should do?
Let's hand this picture.
Abi.
Beside this cap now.
Do you like now? Like this. Okay. What do you see? What do you see, Ben? What do you see?
The frame picture.
Who is this?
Patoranking.
Patoranking. What is this?
A cap.
A cap. Who is the owner of this cap?
It's mine.
Good. Where is the cap?
That is it there.
Good. So it's simple. You put a short notice. This cap is owned by Bernard, who took pictures with Patoranking. And then you put the arrow below. So they will know that it's you.
But this is not what I asked for. This is not. Why am I not visible in the picture?
This is you. This is you.
Okay, this is me. Where? I'm testing myself here now.
This is you. See your teeth. Yeah. So if you put arrow down, this is Bernard who took picture with Patoranking below.
I don't like what you guys are doing. In fact,
Benny man.
Benny man.
I asked for someone to look at what he.
The picture went below.
He expect me to pay for this.
One day you go stop for me.
Man, I tell them where I man, I'm working to the packaging. Low key, guy, I'm where I child for managing. This one no go enter anybody with Teddy when Teddy blow. But for now, I'm working out try the dough. Teddy Bubaba, Teddy Bu rapper, and a footballer. Jack of all trade, man, I back was self-made. Talkative, energy the positive. Use initiative and secure the palliative. Teddy when ambition, he put a model, yana actor. So say go with the missing factor. Teddy when mind and the mouth of 1,000 hustlers. Muse for the barbershop customers. Big boy Teddy, big boy Teddy. Things rough now, but the word I did not go ready. When the money done steady, you go fear Teddy level. Chukwa go see good the boy, because couple devil.
Me, I day okay. I just like as I day my day. I not come here to waste okay. And I ain't make me on the walk. One day you go suck. Me, I day okay. I just like as I day my day. I not come here to waste okay. And I ain't make me on the walk. I one day you go suck.
This na man where they like to impress people. He get balls.